Imagine a world where machines don't just see text, they understand it. Where a simple photograph of handwritten notes transforms into searchable, editable data in milliseconds. Where language barriers crumble because AI can read, translate, and contextualize information faster than the human eye can blink. That world just arrived, and it's called DeepSeek-OCR. Right now, at this very moment, we're witnessing one of the most significant breakthroughs in artificial intelligence technology. DeepSeek AI, the company that's been quietly revolutionizing machine learning, has just unveiled something extraordinary. DeepSeek-OCR isn't just another optical character recognition tool. It's a fundamental reimagining of how machines interact with written information. And what makes this launch particularly groundbreaking is the timing, the technology, and the tremendous implications it carries for every single person watching this video. Let's talk about what's been broken. Traditional OCR technology has existed for decades, but it's been plagued by frustrating limitations. Low accuracy rates with handwritten text, inability to understand context or formatting, complete failure when dealing with complex documents, multiple languages, or poor image quality. Think about the last time you tried to scan a receipt, a handwritten note, or an old document. The results were probably disappointing. Garbled text, missed words, formatting nightmares. Businesses lose billions of dollars annually because of OCR errors in invoice processing alone. Researchers waste countless hours manually transcribing historical documents. Students struggle to digitize handwritten lecture notes efficiently. The technology we've relied on simply hasn't kept pace with our needs. Until now. DeepSeek-OCR represents a quantum leap forward. Built on DeepSeek's proprietary neural architecture, this isn't incremental improvement, it's transformation. Here's what makes it revolutionary. First, the accuracy is staggering. We're talking about recognition rates exceeding 99%, even with challenging inputs. Handwritten doctor's notes, decoded, faded historical manuscripts, perfectly transcribed, crumpled receipts photographed in poor lighting, no problem. The AI doesn't just recognize characters, it understands context, can predict missing information, and intelligently reconstructs meaning from incomplete data. Second, it's multilingual at a level we've never seen before. DeepSeek-OCR can simultaneously process documents containing dozens of different languages and scripts: Latin, Cyrillic, Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, and more, all in a single pass. It doesn't just translate, it maintains formatting, understands cultural context, and preserves the original document structure with remarkable fidelity. Third, and this is where it gets truly fascinating, DeepSeek-OCR incorporates advanced understanding capabilities. It doesn't just extract text, it comprehends what that text means. It can identify tables, charts, equations, and diagrams. It understands document hierarchy, distinguishes between headers and body text, and can even infer relationships between different sections of complex documents. The underlying technology leverages transformer-based deep learning models trained on trillions of text samples across virtually every written language and format imaginable. The result is an AI that sees text the way humans do, with nuance, context, and genuine comprehension. Now let's talk about what this means for you, for businesses, for society. For professionals, DeepSeek-OCR is a productivity superweapon. Lawyers can instantly digitize and search through thousands of pages of case files. Accountants can automate invoice processing with unprecedented accuracy. Healthcare workers can convert handwritten patient records into searchable digital databases, potentially saving lives through faster access to critical information. For students and educators, this changes everything. Imagine photographing your handwritten class notes and having them instantly converted into perfectly formatted, searchable digital documents. Foreign language textbooks become instantly accessible through real-time translation that preserves original formatting and context. For historians and researchers, DeepSeek-OCR opens doors that have been locked for centuries. Ancient manuscripts, deteriorating documents, rare archives, all become instantly accessible, searchable, and preservable for future generations. The democratization of knowledge accelerates exponentially. For businesses, we're looking at billions in cost savings and efficiency gains. Supply chain documentation, customs forms, shipping manifests, all processed instantly with near-perfect accuracy. Customer service becomes faster when handwritten feedback can be immediately analyzed and categorized. The possibilities cascade endlessly. What makes DeepSeek's move particularly bold is the competitive landscape they're entering. Tech giants have dominated OCR technology for years. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, they've all developed sophisticated text recognition systems. But DeepSeek isn't playing catch-up, they're leapfrogging ahead. Where competitors offer solid performance on clean typed documents, DeepSeek-OCR excels with the messy, real-world challenges that actually matter. Where others require expensive computational resources and cloud connectivity, DeepSeek has optimized for efficiency, meaning faster processing, lower costs, and even edge device deployment possibilities. This is David versus Goliath, except David brought a laser-guided slingshot powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. DeepSeek is proving that innovation doesn't require massive corporate bureaucracies. Sometimes focused expertise and brilliant engineering can outpace even the largest technology empires. Let's dive deeper into the technical wizardry making this possible. DeepSeek-OCR utilizes what the company calls contextual awareness architecture, a neural network design that doesn't just analyze individual characters, but understands entire documents holistically. The system employs multi-stage processing, initial image enhancement, intelligent segmentation, character recognition with contextual verification, and semantic reconstruction. Each stage feeds information forward and backward, creating a self-correcting system that gets smarter with every document it processes. Perhaps most impressively, DeepSeek has achieved this level of performance while maintaining remarkable computational efficiency. The models are optimized to run on standard hardware, making this technology accessible rather than exclusively available to organizations with massive computing budgets. We're standing at an inflection point. DeepSeek-OCR isn't just about better text recognition. It's a foundational technology that will enable countless innovations we haven't even imagined yet. Augmented reality systems that can instantly translate any text you look at through smart glasses. Personal AI assistants that can genuinely understand and organize every document in your life. Accessibility tools that make the written word accessible to everyone, regardless of language or visual impairment. The democratization of information is accelerating. Knowledge that was previously locked in inaccessible formats becomes universally available. The barriers between languages, between analog and digital, between past and present, they're dissolving. DeepSeek AI's launch of DeepSeek-OCR represents more than technological achievement. It's a statement about the future we're building together. A future where information flows freely, where language doesn't divide us, where the written word becomes truly universal. The revolution isn't coming, it's here. It's happening right now, and you just witnessed it. The question isn't whether this technology will change the world. The question is, how will you use it when it does? If this breakthrough amazed you, if you're excited about the future of AI, hit that like button. Subscribe to stay updated on the technologies reshaping our world. Drop a comment telling us how you'd use DeepSeek-OCR. And share this video, because this is news that deserves to be spread. The future of information is here. Let's experience it together.